Welcome to Study Live. We are seeing the chapter Animal Kingdom, and in this session we are seeing the topic class Amphibia. Now they are called as Amphibia because they have the ability to live on land as well as in water. Now when they are living in water, I mean is they are living only in fresh water. So they have the ability to live on land. They can live on land as well as in water, Hence they are called as amphibia. Amphi means both. So here water is fresh water only, whereas the word amphi means both. They can live on land as well as in water. So examples for this are frog, toad, salamander. So in this, which organisms are included are frog, we have toad, we have salamander. So these are the examples for class Amphibia. Now when we see their body, we can see that they have two pairs of limbs. So over here, this is called as the hind limb, whereas the two hind limbs it has, and it has two forelimbs. It has two forelimbs. So it has two hind limbs and two forelimbs. This is nothing but the eye. This is the eye. And you can see your tail is absent. Their skin is without any derivative and it is usually kept moist and sticky. You must have happened to touch a frog and it slips out of your hand. It is because their skin is soft and covered with a mucus layer. It is quite slippery. So this is the structure of the skin of the frog. Moist and sticky, covered by mucus glands. So it happens to look sticky. Let us see about these organisms. They are carnivorous. They are feeding on grasshoppers and other insects. They are poikilothermic. Poikilothermic means they are cold-blooded organisms, which means they can adjust their body temperature according to the surrounding ambient temperature. So, where they move around, they can change their body temperature. Their body is differentiated into, their body is divided into head, trunk and tail. Head, trunk and tail. What is absent is neck is absent in them. Neck is absent, and in some adults, as you can see in this figure, which is the figure for frog, as in some adults you can see that tail is also absent. It is lost during the developmental stages, whereas it was present in the larval stages. So tail is absent in some adults. So their exoskeleton is absent. They do not have an exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is absent. Their skin is soft and covered by mucus to make it slippery. They have two pairs of limbs for locomotion. Two hind limbs. One pair is hind limb and one pair is forelimb. And one pair of forelimb for locomotion. Now their digestive system is well developed. They have a well developed digestive system. They can take respiration. They have well developed digestive system. Now respiration in them can take place through gills when it is in water. So, and when it is on land, it takes place through lungs or buccopharynx. So, respiration occurs by gills in water, lungs on land, or buccopharynx. In them, their circulation, which is closed type, they have a closed type circulation. Their heart is three-chambered heart. The circulation is of closed type, which means blood flows inside closed blood vessels. Their heart is three-chambered heart. Heart is three-chambered heart. And their RBCs, which is red blood cells, their RBCs is biconvex and nucleated, whereas we know in humans it is non-nucleated. Here the RBCs are biconvex and nucleated. Now, the most important thing about these organisms is their sexes are separate. Their sexes are separate. They lay eggs, so they are oviparous. They are laying eggs, they are oviparous, and so their fertilization is in the external medium. Fertilization is external. So, over here you can see in this diagram that they have got eardrum, which is tympanic membrane. External ear is absent in them, but eardrum, which is tympanic membrane, is present. Tympanic membrane, which is called as eardrum, is present, but they do not have external ear. External ear is absent. So, these are the characteristic feature of class Amphibia, which lives on land as well as in water, and this was a characteristic model of an organism named frog belonging to this class Amphibia. So, this completes our topic. For more videos, please stay tuned with Study Live. Thank you.